Hi everyone, welcome. Today a festive and very typical Swiss tart. It's called Carac and it's the perfect chocolatey dessert for the holidays. To keep things super simple, I'm using store-bought pastry shells. You can find them in any grocery store and they're great to have on hand for quick desserts like this. You want to bake them off blind or without filling according to package direction, making sure the bottom is baked through and the sides have some color. Then allow the cooked shells to cool down completely on a wire rack. For the filling you'll need over medium-low heat, add the ingredients into a pan and slowly bring it up to heat. Use a good quality dark chocolate that's at least 70% cocoa and it will melt nicely into the cream and milk. And you will end up with a thick, glossy chocolate ganache. For ease later, pour the hot ganache into a pourable jug and let it cool down a bit. In the meanwhile, let's make the icing topping, where you'll need all you need to do is to add water and lemon juice to icing sugar a bit at a time until you end up with a thick but runny consistency. Then divide into two separate dishes. Typically, Caracs are green, but to dress them up for Christmas, we're gonna dye it red and green. How much food coloring depends on the brand you use and the intensity of the color you want. Just add 1 or 2 drops at a time until you're happy with the color. To add some dimensions to the green, I also added a few drops of yellow. Now stir up the slightly cool chocolate ganache if it has formed a skin on the top, and let's pour it into the cool pastry tart shells. Fill the shells about 2/3 to the top. When they're all filled, place them into the fridge to set. This might take about 30 minutes or more. It's important when you take them out, the chocolate is firm and does not run as you move the tart around. Then confidently spoon the color icing on top of the chocolate. Fill it all the way to the top. Finally, top with the chocolate button and a typical Carac is born. As you can see, this chocolate tart is quick to make and quick to set. If you want an easy dessert to bring with you to your next holiday party, then this is the one for you. Once you fill the tarts with icing, put them in the fridge to set so the icing can harden. And there you have it, a simple little dessert that you can throw together in no time, especially by using pre-made pastry shells. Bring them to your next Christmas party. They'll be a hit. As always, go to yansfamilytable.com for the full written recipe. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.